Hello everyone, Linus here. CES 2025 is in full swing and let me tell you, it's buzzing with innovation. One of the most exciting things I've seen so far is Thunderbot's grand entrance. They're here for the first time, and they've definitely made their presence known. Thunderbot is a brand known for pushing the limits of gaming technology, and they've outdone themselves this year. From their sleek new lineup of gaming laptops to their mind-blowing augmented reality glasses, Thunderbot is setting a new standard for the future of gaming. I had the opportunity to get a first-hand look at their latest and greatest offerings, and trust me, you're going to want to hear about this. So buckle up, because Thunderbot is about to take you on a wild ride into the future of gaming. The star of Thunderbot's CES showcase is undoubtedly their brand new Zero series gaming laptops. These machines are an absolute beast, designed from the ground up for gamers who demand the absolute best. The Zero series boasts a sleek, futuristic design that's sure to turn heads. But don't let the looks fool you. These laptops pack some serious power under the hood. With cutting-edge components and innovative cooling solutions, the Zero series is built to dominate the competition. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a professional esports athlete, or a content creator, the Zero series has something for everyone. Get ready to experience gaming like never before, with the unmatched performance and stunning visuals of the Zero series. Let's talk about what makes the Zero series tick. These laptops are powered by the latest and greatest from NVIDIA and Intel. We're talking about the beastly NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU and the incredibly powerful Intel 2nd Gen Core Ultra processor. The RTX 4090 delivers mind-blowing graphics and ray tracing capabilities, bringing your games to life with stunning realism. Paired with the Intel 2nd Gen Core Ultra processor, you can expect lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking, even with the most demanding games and applications. Thunderbot hasn't skimped on the other components either. The Zero series comes equipped with blazing-fast PCIe Gen 5 SSDs, ensuring lightning-fast load times and a smooth gaming experience. With this powerhouse combination of hardware, the Zero series is ready to tackle anything you throw at it. The Zero series isn't just about raw power, it's about creating an immersive gaming experience that transports you to another world. With its stunning display and innovative features, the Zero series takes gaming to a whole new level. The laptops feature high refresh rate displays with incredibly low response times, ensuring buttery smooth gameplay and crystal clear visuals. And with support from NVIDIA G-Sync and Advanced Optimus, you can say goodbye to screen tearing and hello to ultra-smooth lag-free gaming. But the real game changer here is the integration with Thunderbot's brand new smart glasses. These glasses offer augmented reality capabilities, blurring the lines between the game world and reality. Imagine seeing game stats, maps, and even enemies appearing in your real-world environment. That's the future that Thunderbot is creating.